Hey guys, Gasp here for another exploration using Stardust plugin for After Effects. So let's create some cool particles here. First I'm going to set the emitter type to sphere so you can see what's going on here. But let's add some speed, like for these particles, maybe 50, and let's set up some colors for this main particle. Let's choose loop from gradient and set more warm tone, and let's create some like some lines here, maybe just the particles emitting like lines. So I'm going to use the auxiliary, so it emits particles from the other particles, and we have to set up another particle. So let's rename it just to not get confused. Aux particle, and if we could set the speed to 0, we can get some maybe like lines here, but let's change a little bit of the size here, and also the size from the auxiliary particle, maybe 3, yeah. And so let's try to improve a little bit more and use the motion node. I want to not like straight lines, but maybe like spiral lines or circular lines. So let's use the motion node here and set the motion type to circle. Now the result you get, it's like rotating all the particles. So we have also 2 particles. So let's just put the motion just for the main particle, so we can get like some spiral movement or like a galaxy movement. And I don't want just some gaps between the particles here, so we can adjust the particles per second at the auxiliary node, so you can get like more thick lines. And yeah, sounds good. Maybe let's add some background here. Oh, looks interesting. Maybe if you could add some. Let's explore a little bit more about the motion node here. We can get more advanced, or try to change the angle here, so we can get some maybe 45 degrees, so we can have like more motion here, like, and maybe a better composition too. So and also we can set some camera movements. Maybe if it would look better, so we can also try some nice camera movement here. Let's try to work a little bit more at the particles, so we can get more I don't know, light focus here. If we set the transfer mode to maybe add for the particles, yeah, it's getting better. Let's try it at the aux particle. If we just set the transfer mode to add, maybe we can get some nice results here, like at the center, so it's adding more sense of light here, more. So maybe we can decrease some particles here, and also set the overlife properties, especially at the aux particle. Maybe we can decrease the, and also we can set the emitter to stop, so maybe we can get less particles, 50, and 1 frame after we can set to 0, so it can just stop. And it's going to increase a little bit. So that's a quick tip. Maybe if we can add a circular, let's try, maybe we can set the motion overlife to decrease, so it can have more circular movement, and after that just stop it, and you can get more like straight lines, or just at the end. Well, it's up to you. This is just a quick tip, so after more few steps we have this cool result. Add some camera movements. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials about Stardust. That's it. Thank you so much, and see you next time.